Now. Okay, another one. They carry your children. Monica say your children no good. You true carry the children come. Enogie, I beg. It be like say you yourself, I don't understand. You be Pikin when you born Pikin. Pikin when you born Pikin, when they ask him, mama say, where I want put the bottle now mouth, I be na nose. You can't call they say, not touch your nose. You don't already tell them waiting Monica tell you say na truth. Why bomb me any never be? Why about neglecting me? You don't carry the children come out. My daughter even just talk her just now. Are you going to be more jay? You yourself just come prove to the world say na so your children be. Man, bro, go and take care of your children. To be honest, you see this. May I tell you, let me tell you. Did you know what Nora is suffering for? You know what Nora they suffer? You know, I think you know. Now they carry and go all those physiotherapy, all those things. Now they carry and go. One, that Pikin get fear. If you want carry a hand up, get the way when they do. Una don't put fear. These parents of Naola. Now my cat name I can't they call the Nora. Nora, okay? Our cat now Nyla. Okay, Nora. Nora have depression, to be honest. That child is a depressed child. Yes. The child is a depressed child. Instead of not to find out what they do, Nora to be a smart child. So una get Pikin. Una say, una they talk about that Pikin. See. Now truth that they tell you because I be mother. So if you like, me you with Monica go crash for train station. Go crash for railway. You know, consign me. But the real truth of the matter, I see fear in that little child. That child, he get the way when they do something. To be honest, Enogie, you have, you get what you get for inside house. The Pikin when you get for inside house, you know if you do that guy go grow up, can't be like that. Oh, if you walk out of the piece for body, let me describe this kind of Pikin for you when you carry so. You see that thing when I put for those children body, depression. Depression, they worry this Pikin. You get another thing when they worry this Pikin again. Oh, I will say that my phone now. And never child that go and come out. You get what that they call her. So children, they get her. Some children they get her, and they get people when they take care of the children. They get physiotherapy. They get people when they therapy them. You know, for children. Let me tell you, don't ever bring those children on social media, come use and saga again. The Pikin when you carry come, Papa, you don't wake up now. Okay, I think say you don't sleep. The Pikin when you carry come, to be honest, you get what that they call her or what that they call that this you on English it goes even but so they look. I will say my daughter dead down now. The English don't come on, it just escape me. No, or something like that. You know? Now the Pikin they suffer from. Enogie, let me tell you, I'm a mother. Omo no genelu no sen. Now once they'll tell no. That Pikin get the way when they do something. The Pikin get the way when they do something. Even though the Pikin I serve, don't let that little girl grow up like that. Enogie. To be honest, you get Pikin for inside instead of you. Now you supposed to carry that children. If the people with the therapists, if they work on that children finish, as a father, you're supposed to carry that Pikin. Even sport, you're supposed to carry that Pikin, they go sport. You're supposed to carry that Pikin, go where children, they do activity. You know, pack them put for inside house, lock them put for inside house. You know, they make noise. You know, get see Pikin when you carry come out. Oh God. Autism. Okay, autism. Thank you. God bless you. If I see I will know how to read that, but they escape me. Now that Pikin be. The Pikin get the way when they do something. And okay, may I tell you, years back, when would they go market? He get one pikin now for one village. This pikin na gripa, na big girl, don't get breast. We dey inside car. That time we dey carry passenger, they go market that time. No say if I talk and I just say shut up because una no know me. We dey carry passenger, they go market that time. Then the girl, very big girl. If you get the way we they do something, go they do her like this. You get the way we they do something. You go hold her like this, you go hold her like this. You get the way we they do something. I see that thing for Nora body yesterday. I can't say I go send message, can't give you. You know that girl, big girl, he get breast. He don't reach to go husband house. He piss for body, they weak for body. If you not quick carry her, if you not quick carry her, go piss, he go piss for body. Before motor stop, that pikin don't piss. That girl, that big girl, don't piss for body. My eye reach her. Now wait till I see, now they tell people. I know they lie. People, this is when I talk now. People, they will be say, they get that kind of patience for inside their house, their family. Before motor one stop, you don't piss for body. No say, no, Nigeria, no pampas. Yeah, it needs special something. When you carry, they tell you say the Pikin, you know, they all right, Enogie. You still get the entrance, the audacity. You carry that Pikin, you carry on social media. Oh, we are bar, and also black, when you are bar. When I see that child yesterday, I feel pain. Enogie, you are a disgrace to fatherhood. Bros, entire house. Did you know what you are doing? You see the Pikin when you carry come out yesterday? So Pikin like that, they inside house. That Pikin, oh, that Pikin is suffering from this brain disorder. The Pikin get the way, oh, as that Pikin firing that. It's painful. That Pikin, I like her. You see that Pikin, that Laura, I do like that one for inside. That one, I like her. Oh, nobody, I want to tell you. I don't get that Pikin, you do like this. Oh, my God. You see those children? Hey, they're not... Where noise there? If that they do noise there, you go put your hand for ear like this. You go hold on like this. You go they do like this. Yes, that Pikin go they do that one. That they say 1-4. You not talk, don't they for these children? No. Oh, man. Oh. Draw KJ. Aye. And I want to batch your mom. That Pikin will fine. See the way we no get it, they grow that daughter. The daughter don't they change, oh. The daughter don't they change. Pikin don't they change. The daughter eyeball, this. If I dey talk and people say, lovely, why are you like this? Let me explain it to Enogie if Enogie no understand. These two eyeball, don't they jump each other like this? Let's forget about that. No, this is not my way, man. No, Google kill now, Google pound now. Make come and collect the children for now. Make come and collect the children for now. Hey, I'm on never go no. I don't know. Oh, Chris people even better pass Mama Laura with the Enogie. Mama Laura with the Enogie, Chris person better pass now. If Chris person they fight now, you go keep the children. Christmas if they fight, you go keep the children for all that this thing. No, this will not be cry. This will not be laugh. It's, no. Did they spoil the children for his house? Now they laugh put. Oh. 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 This boy foolish. Oh. This boy they crazy. Once that pikin they grow up with that thing they go. And they still continue, they make noise for those children here. They continue, they make noise for those children here. Oh, those children, they are suffering. They are suffering. No. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, 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 oh. No, say, hello, you both they look me up, but now pass. So painful, my darling. So painful. You carry these children enter social media. They say, not I touch your nose, not I touch your mouth. No, I don't get you are a fool. Oh, yeah, oh, this begin they grow, they change. That begin they grow, they change. Okay, you be useless boy, you be useless father. Aye. Okay, you are useless father, you don't get sense. You don't get sense. I don't agree cry for something, but this one pay me. He pay me. You begin they grow, they come, you know they change. Papa, what do you want? Oh. And they come. No, they could not come social media. Now they shout. Yes, sit down. And this water don't pop for you. Oh. Ah. No. Why beer? Una no bon. Una no bon. Yes, you don't need the place when noise too much. You don't need that. No need that. No see this. See the Pikin. Get the way when the Pikin they do something. You that more that barre heavy. Okay. More that barre. The children that Pikin don't they grow they enter. Oh. If you see that Pikin now, it don't change. That thing I don't see Pikin when it be like this. Yes back. Agiripa. He get breast. Before motor stop, we dey go market. We carry them for road as a passenger. Before motor stop, it don't piss for body. Now hand, if not their hand, I think they do their hand. They'll do like this. If you see this foolish Enogie go carry Pikin come out yesterday. When you look that Pikin very well, now in hand that you tell no say that Pikin don't they grow enter that thing. Man, no. Still they fight. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Una see they fight. President of those children, the children when they don't they use after they go. You know that sometimes if they beat Pikin sometimes. People when don't beat normal children say if they beat them sometimes don't say mommy no mommy no. This Pikin now without the no holder, without the no beater, see the Pikin. Oh Enogie, I'm very disappointed in you. Yeah, this whole thing is painful. You see? Ah no. So now carry children, put them for inside house. Useless the children life. Useless the children life. Ha. Ha. Ah. I see that. Ah, that girl. I too like that girl. You see that one when they inside, the one when they call her Nola. The time when they born that girl, the girl was growing fine. The guy they growing fine. The guy don't they no they see that girl. No they see that Pikin. No they shut they go. No they you carry problem for inside your house. Children when you get for inside your house. Oh, not how I want move. I don't move ya. We know that I don't ya. I don't let it see. I don't move. We know that I don't move ya. And I'm not around. I carry around. I useless like this. So God don't go ever forgive you now. The Pikin, that's why they fight every day. And that's why they be. You see some couple now. They say that they fight every day. Before the fight, they go they destroy their children. They go. This one say, God, before my children will come destroy. The way when the Pikin, they do not go part of the video. I want to call this idiot yesterday. Say, why you blog this Pikin? Why you blog him? Go blog him. Where ki to boy mu no se dagbari. Where ki to boy you no sia we mina. Habe mo na enter house. Yes, it's very me. I know that quick cry. If you see me, my eye go red before I go cry. They hard. No get no. Ah, shy. The Pikin don't change. The Pikin they grow to that. This thing when they worry and so they grow. It's supposed to now if physiotherapy they help her, he as a father with the mother, they go see they help there. He will go put them for where children they do things, where children they participate for something or this any sport. Go carry the children go there. Ah no. I beg go over about now. Enogie enter house. Enogie no you fuck up. You fuck up. Waiting that they talk for social media. For you by your children. I don't believe. I was just still looking that small girl. Now the eye when I tell they look and see when they born and when they grow. Now see the Pikin. That mudak barado are my wo. Ah, they don't know how now. Me ale belu aba. No, people know they class follows you. And for inside the house, no, they make noise for those children. If not, don't they make noise and the children go park, go one place. They make small. They make small. If not, don't they make noise and the children go park, go one place. They will go hold themselves like this thing. Don't need a harakwa. They'll go hold themselves like this. All the time. I got you pass for house when children day. The people when not they fool themselves for they get children for inside house. Ha. 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 We carry the Pikin, you can't show people. I can't say, what's this? The Pikin don't they grow, they don't they change. You don't they change to enter that DC final. You don't they change now so they be, they can't change before you can't see her. Ah! Go take care of your children. They carry your children come out. If now see wrong, exercise, things. You know, see how you born when they get those kind of children. They carry their children, they come out. They carry their children, they go different places. Their Pikin will go, they say, they play with children like them. Small Pikin don't fear. Now fear into depression be that oh. If the Pikin fear, you know say depression they make person to become paralyzed. That thing where Enogie they put for children but this so it can make those children when time go reach. They don't big go down, they do like this. Kere. Small. Now they come difficult they thought they do like you. Where would it be depression? And I head. Whether I don't know woman. Before something go clear for this head, they take years. People go they say, move on. Now, math, now they move on. Until this something clear come on for your eye. You can say, we are there before. Now that time you can't move on. Now stay for there. Then they clap follow you. Useless people when they follow you. Then they clap follow you. They are clapping following you. Carry your pikin, come show you. You are showing your children yesterday now. The children, they are not, oh my God. Children where papa supposed to carry come out. Imoke I won't say. I can say ciao bella, ciao bellissima, ciao bella, ciao bellissima. I do what that way since when they brought these children. Since many work on arrest, we can wubure. Many work on any hospital now. I don't know why I no kukuma live for hospital. Then we can arrest you hospital. Ni hospital now. Since then, oh my children with the newborn, you they make noise for their ear. From 0 age, 3 days now they spend for hospital. I be 4 days. From 4 days when they spend for inside hospital, come house. From that day, that 4th day when they carry the entire house, come reach these years when they day so. Now so saga, now those children, now it be their breakfast, lunch, dinner, mommy go, afternoon go. They don't spoil these children brain. The children, brain, yeah. If they talk and they'll say, shut up. Oh, good, they kill you. No, good, no go key. Now, wait till they see. Now, they talk. I cannot go key. It's too much, oh. It's too much. It's too much. You they carry the car, they tell you say your pikin, see the way where your pikin be. You don't carry the children come. You carry and come, you put camera, you put her for their face. They say, touch nose. One day, papa, now you be. All this one day, papa. I honestly like one day, papa. What do one day, papa want to do for children life? One day, papa, you will come, touch your eye, touch your nose. Nose when small Pikin. My pussy, this pussy cat when they I'll say, poo, you go say, meow, I'll say, touch your nose, go do like this. Pussy cat. When they here. I say, poo, go say, meow. I say, touch your nose, you go do like this. You know, say, pussy cat, they always use and take the rub, you go do your nose like this. Now you they carry pussy cat now 1 year, 9 days. Now 4 months, now he day when the boy went dash my daughter. She say, pussycat, touch your nose, meow, touch your nose, you go do like this. Before you come to scratch your body. Now you carry children, 3 years children, 4 years children. Are you kidding? When 4 years children, 4 years old children, they go reach ABCD, reach alphabet 5, alphabet 6. Now you carry your children, you they show them to Obiaba. Go and walk. No need disgracing now. No wearing ni near. You don't tell when are they saga you because of your children. Whenever I see those children, the way you do them, I'm not happy about it. It's 4 years. Now you they tell now I touch nose. You don't are you going to do a shama? You just true confirm to people say you pass there. I now Enogie na wana. Me are na gbera we kiye na me gberi to iwa na. You don't see what I thought just now. Look at you. Yeah? See Pikin when you put for inside house. Man, that day you guy. Do they call in? See, I don't even know Domumu they talk. You they go stay with Domumu. You when even see you get, I don't even know self. Be like say you see you get small sense pass Domumu. Domumu when you go born finish, you go throw away woman when you born for her, throw away Pikin. You go give another one belle again, throw away that one, throw away. Now one talk. Now one insult person when person go here, but throw away father. Now when me oye ni darege nya, oye ni no mon ruwa. Erere no se va ye ni gba. Domumu that one don't born for everywhere. That one don't born for everywhere. That one don't get document, it don't get address. You don't get residence, you don't get work. That one is a jobless man every day by day, year to year. 365 days in a year when they see that man is a jobless man. My love is almost 3 years. They can read ABCD. Okay, yes. Now children, if they even they work out, they go, they sing waiting. that they talk for school, waiting that they teach them for school. They will they use until they sing. If that they play with cartoon, some of them go pass something for ground, pack their cartoon for ground. Waiting they teach them for school. Now they're going to tell their cartoon say A, you will go to the second one say B, you will go to the second one say C. Now so they teach their cartoon. Waiting they teach them for school, they'll come has come to teach their cartoon. I know get the entrance, the audacity. You carry Nora, enter Facebook. You they say Nora touch nose. Act you ashamed of yourself. The ritual say you be disappointment father. You just to bring across social media Enogie. You for me, I really see that. You be disappointment father. Me, if I dey go out, if I dey want travel, people like una no fit come put my pikin for una house. As my pikin big rich, una fit demolish his brain. Truly speaking. Like this about gbowerere. Ene na gbowerere. They see the way when you carry pikin use a tonto. That when I see the say you touch what to touch your nose, touch your eyes, touch your mouth. For 4 years old. For 4 years old. Do not see the acting when the pikin they act. You know, if you can't, you want to use your foolishness as your pikin be, you still want to use and then make money. Huh? Yeah, they have disability issue, yeah. Because I want to do one. What the English? Why on my daughter come out from my mouth this afternoon? Eh? They don't paralyze these children brain. They don't paralyze them. The mercury of brain, these people they don't kill them. They don't paralyze them. And the children that are still little now, they should go and work on them, eh? They should go and work on them. If those children become 10 years old, this family, they will regret. You know, say, as I tell Nana, I will say, shut up, good to kill you. Go out, she not a fire, lovely, not well. Now, truth, they tell you. Disabled children, eh? Some children, the mama will say, we born this Pikin normal. Now, little thing go happen, the Pikin go disabled for the rest of her life or his life. These children too much. The day where social media the way they take they shout. Hey! For where small children they help, police. The children go they shout. Papa, my people. Small children. Is that something those children have to keep in their brain now? Is that what they have to learn? Is that what their mercury have to pick? Really? Little children? Now, what did the children want pick be that? That kind of rubbish? Saga? You don't carry this thing, you just... I don't know why these people... Just be like people where... I don't even understand self. If I say Chris now, we they use Chris, say they give example, say you know dear play with Chris Spessy Pikin, our beer. Before you give Chris Spessy Pikin food, you must reach him mama hand first. Lie. You don't fit give Chris Spessy food direct, say no reach him mama hand. Or mosika so no see no or kweso bomion. You just like a mocking or all those chimpanzee. Before you give chimpanzee food, you don't fit give it Pikin. You must give her first for your hand. Before you go give it Pikin. Because you don't know what you want to carry give it Pikin. They will not listen to you. My personal person, you. They won't. Chi. They're not going to listen. We know as I'm saying it now, they'll say, love, look good, they'll kill you. Love, you know where. I deal with children for house. I know 3 children. They are my children. I don't go borrow them for outside. I know them to my taste. When children is not feeling fine, I know. If children body they hot, I know. Yes. You don't know when your children is not doing anything. The which day for here last week, my son go do gym. As he call the waka, you call the waka like this. Not to say, which one you call the waka like this? Say, mommy, I can't drop my hand. I went to go and do gym. Say they do not tell and say, make it go repeat and they repeat and they repeat and they repeat and again. You know, say if you don't tell when you do gym, if you don't go do one, you know, like say you never run before. If you go run, your lap go they pay you. I look and say, why are you walking like this? They say, mommy, I can't drop my hand. I say, why? I say, go do gym. He carry this. He say, oh, your hand they pain. I say, go and repeat it again. If you do it again and again and again, it go stop. Do not know they look children when they carry the waka they go. If Facebook just say, hello guys, your children be like this, you carry the wrong commands. Facebook will say, no guys, see what your children do, you go carry the wrong command. Facebook will say, no guys, your children, they know they eat well, you will carry the wrong commands. Must you bring them to come and show them? You not see for social media, they go say, lovely children fat. I say, I like them. Now they go talk say, my children fat. The same time, they go see come out talk say, lovely children, they're slim, they're slim, they're like lovely. Which one people will come believe? Huh? Small one, not they close mouth. Now so now they wash the children. Now wow. Why the small one not they close mouth? Now wow. Remember no one name. Me now one Marco post. Marco post you watch. Me no one name. One they want me me why that way? Because I know the two. You know, when it comes to children, things, I don't too much focus on. They'll come say that they bully children. I know they too much focus on it, you know. I don't know. Yeah, you they laugh. Why you they laugh? Or that I can one. It be like saying I said the house, you just use chest it down put. So they say, why the small one, not the close mouth? He mono say no girl. I work me yeah. I already idiot no. Bona bia aba owa won no so e wa gba e wo kido aro rimion pe yeye na so dey be na I don't know. Can see this newborn baby. I don't understand. Are you where the bomb or judge? But get the mono mo don dagbari. You two carry the pikin con show. I will say if Monica like make Monica shout reach tomorrow. Say you no carry the pikin come. He go Monica will talk and finish. He go enter house. I know that one. I know say that one. You see the Zuzu. That one fit do Zuzu te do saga. Nah. In the evening time, another thing now you go carry. Now so that one take the do one. If they do mixture, una go just continue. Why we continue here? Monica, you describe your children. You true carry your children, you carry and come out, come show the world, waiting Monica talk. Look at what you are saying. Telling a child of 4 years old, go Nigeria, small pikin of 2 years, if they make a buy for Nigeria. 2 years old child. You go carry Kento, this is where they hot. You go carry and come on. You know, problem for body. Don't know. 2 years. No, they were can you also go they say, why don't they feel no come for fire? See this woman children that time. What they call these twins, this mama twins of Bergamo. The time when that woman they block the children that time when children small. If mama twins come pack food for ground, put soup, put a bar, you go say, no, now wait, I want go bring water, I call the these children make them not go put hand do. They go, how come they watch? They watch. Make mama quick come. The children don't go there. The elder say ni until their mama come use chair sit down. Come follow them sit down. Their mama they leave food when they hot. You say they come on and not touch them. You carry children come. If they talk say your children they waka like this, they do like this. You don't to carry them come. The children come just go do like this. Oh yeah, but we book it. We book it, bro. When I wo ne wo kana nawe kowa. Ne nawe kowa wa stop isaga wa dog belo wimo. And stop crying for documents. Anyone when they only documents. Stop crying. Stop crying. If you carry the wakana, police go say documento no cholai. Cause I to a cholai, yo cholai bambino. Your children there with you. They say, okay, fine. They don't fit collect your children for your hand. Carry you go police station. No. They don't fit carry the children go police station with you. No. You carry children, you keep for inside house. You they ask somebody DNA test. And now DNA test. Man, bro, don't go and take care of those children. Those children, they're still small. All those nyaka one at this place for those children brain, it's high time you people should go and clear it off. Those children need cool place. You don't see my house now. If you see my house now, very cool. Very cool. If I don't talk now, nobody go talk for this house. Very cool. I don't take care of children. But as you see me so, I bet you when, if I want spoil something, I feel spoiler. That's why I be. If I want spoil something, I feel spoiler. If I vex, I know they hold my voice, my vexation. But when I come to get children, she say, children don't dey under me. My left children dey, right children dey, front children dey. I can't just take myself down. I can't reduce myself. Me, I dey color before. If you say me will buy, walk by. But as I can see say, oh, children. No, when you hold children, you know got to they do nyaka things. No. Now make me just calm down. You see some people say, lovely. You know they travel. Lovely. You know they go this me before, my leg na waka buge. And they waka. The morning I go bath. The time when I never born, I go bath. When I bath, I don't come on for area. Maybe before you go see me, you go reach like 2 days. But when I come to born, I come to say, no. This character, if you carry a young children, you don't go walk well. Now we they talk so. You should forget. Make they don't call the carry children come out. Okay, that one now, they say Monica bully children. They break. He go carry the children. He go show them for outside. And I see the children. As a father, you need to protect your children. Why are you a father? They know whether you're a father. You carry the children on social media. And your children, they need special care. They need special care. Sha. You na go get belle o. Or use the belle do saga o. Only the day when the children go get peace. That 4 days when they spend for hospital. After that 4 days, they don't reach house. They don't do saga for these children head. Not when they now 4 years. They do saga for that baby girl head for good 4 years. My people. If now you call, even Agrippa self go depress. Even Agrippa self go depress. Small children, when their brain be like, it be like, after that one, now so they trade the for inside saga o, trade that get for inside saga o. Before you know, you can't born twins. Twins in our ray. And I worry twins, and I the twins we saga. It twins come they waka they go. It go be like say no be they waka. Et as a chance to shake it do toi. If they waka, they go sit down for ground. Because the children was not having good rest. In the morning, before I go wake up, I'll see say, no, they don't do video. These children, they talk for video. When children, they sleep. But bro, the way you are taking care of those children, you are not taking care of those children well. If those children grow to 10 years, they do that time, you go know what thing you do to yourself. Yeah, you have to forget. Like sometimes, if you see problems sometimes, you go forget. All of us, they do saga. We'll see do saga sometimes. We'll see those later the person. Yes. This is next year now. Now this is not the same age mate. Now with my junior brother. The same age. Now with my junior brother last born B. If you see that one, hey, he make beam. He make beam. If that one they come down for step, you know as soon as they come down for step, you go just stay. Now girl, you just stay for step, you go just roll down like this. Brrr. If they go step case, Papa go they say, wait. I say, you want to see now so they do one. He fast die. Just carry your children come. Now no they respect to my children. After they talk around, maybe now come saga me or not concern me. But the truth of the matter, enough is enough. Enogie, these children, you are not happy then, no. When you even see the children face, the children face me gaga. You get one person when they call on gaga. Okay, no, the children face no hope for head, for their age. The children, you know, me I tell you, I be mother. The children age, your children age for their face. Your children face old past your children. Your children face, Then old. Your children old past their age. No face. Your children. If you look your children, they're old past their age. Why? You because you didn't know those children well. Lala no say. Look at the last time, years back. Now so now they cut food. Oh, don't let me go back. Now so now, I can't bother. Father, that I don't say you cry the cry for where? Men you're the vie. Maybe before I say you cry, don't go like that. You don't me worry vie. Years back, now so you carry children, come now so you they put food. Now that day I know say these people. Oh Jesus Christ. Hey, you have done me on Facebook. I have never seen this kind of thing in my life. I have seen mothers with children. I have never seen Enogie with Mama Lara. Mama Lara will just state, where children they? See now children. Did that then now they say, now grand now children they sleep. Maybe later now you can see show hamo. Gole, hell ya ba. May I will call you. Maybe you feel not pick or you pick. I will leave voice recording for you. We try. We try. You know just they try at all. You know they try. You know they try. No where bello homo. Or where chi. On me ano. No say na one approach na be on me ano. Now they call her. Instead of you to take off Pikin, now they tell that one may go bring DNA test. Man, bro, the way I see your background, go and take off your children. Forget about people DNA test. It doesn't count. Go, dog bello gomo. Go and take off your children. Anyone can ninya, what that web where those children know they sleep long. Because they were not trained like that. Those children cannot sleep 5 hours. Those children, if they sleep in the night, they will get up, they go sit down. They go get up, they go sit down. These children don't go, they sleep long. We are going to when they need bring those children for me. You know, you bring them for me. If now the money when government they give you now, make the money they enter on our account. No, now carry the children can't give me. No. They do want to say anymore. If now my ask these children they if you can't come, they say now me they say, mommy, who is this man? They not come to you, they just say, who is this man? I say, now your papa, you say, hey, this is not my father. All the time, all the time. DNA. Jebo na land. Otonana here. Akishon va go doshon noria wewe. Na land the be one they find DNA. Is there a land? Na land. DNA. The boy na isha boy. Na isha boy na be. Papa Wahala come, Papa na talk say na Papa Wahala na he get pikin. Na saga drop Papa Wahala come out o. Una say na Papa Wahala na he get pikin. As una say na Papa Wahala get pikin, Papa Wahala say okay, una call say na he get pikin. Because na only Papa Wahala name na una mention. I wish una still mention another person. Then maybe that person for still come out. If for still see, I say okay, make una go do DNA test. If it not work, make una come meet me. Now so the man talk. Since una dey tag the man, tag the pikin. Now the man come to say okay, una go do DNA test for the papa. If it not work for the papa, una come bring am for now talk. Now the man talk. He not the man not talk say na he get pikin. Come reach today. Okay, you know say you when they talk about this DNA test. Why you pause before? Why you pause? What make you pause? If not truth now they talk. Why you not just speak the truth that time? Now you want come talk now when people will come believe say you they talk. Oh yeah, say that is the only thing I will tell you. Go and take care of your children. You don't need another person DNA test. Like me now, don't ask anybody go and bring DNA test. That's not my business. Now says men they take care of children will not be their own. Women they take care of children will not be their own. Children when update they take care of now. With the Facebook community they take care of now. Now they get the children. Children will be say Vera children now will be say almost half of those cyberspace don't help those children. Those children now their own. Now their own. Go take care of your children. Enogie, go and take care of your children. How you carry children come out? Children don't make children don't old past their age. Do they lose the children when you carry come out? So when you will carry children come out, you go see the children, they go, why they be now this Facebook nowadays, now they talk say my children they sleep for ground. And now say my children they sleep for ground. Say meanwhile let them unplug me. Plug you in. Let them they plug me like this. Plug you in. Man, now say the person don't come and say mama say he say this Nelly Black don't block bed though when your children they sleep. Now say my children. Ooh, go show. How they enter my children room? Now that person got to say mama, may I say if they clean your children room, if they clean everywhere, maybe if I they clean my children room and they put her for video call, maybe how they talk. He say, now got to say my children. He got to say mama. Now the up where your children they play that time. Now they go they show so. Now say, what can I do? Now I show my say the room where my two daughters they sleep. Even my daughter no they even sleep for that room again. Don't already get in your room. You know, you don't already repair your room. The double decker can't dey there. Then I show my son room. You know how many room I get for this house? I show my son room. We get almost 4 rooms, I'll be 5 rooms for this house. I show it. I say, me I will use 770 euro to buy bed sleep. Me, my children will come to sleep for ground. They crazy. Only 700 euro. My kids read them. Bed, and they see to 200 euro bed. I know it's not to buy 200 euro bed for ourselves. Just to ask more money, Jonah. Yeah, because the children know they sleep. The children know they sleep. Yeah, the children, if those children, if they let them rest for 6 months, you go see. They don't say every day they talk. Don't say, I know they like to talk about, the children gay. No, I don't like it. If they talk, it's something they break my heart, you know. But if they talk, they will put her for saga. I don't want to do saga with anybody again. Now, the truth of the matter, now they talk. Is when you see the children, they are not relaxed. Those children not relaxed. Be like children when they smoke it, though. They do for head. It's not good. Yeah? Oh, yeah, but where's the name now? Not just sino sober. Children issue, leave children issue. Now children issue now. I see make they go carry Nora come out now. Call they talk to Nora. Don't they talk to the rest children. Is enough. Huh? You see, people don't see Saga Monica. They don't see forget Monica. You see forget her. As the rest people they forget her. You know? Can you do not fit do another thing without no Saga? It's not good. You they ask of DNA test. You say you want to go do DNA for who again, for twins again. Now so DNA, now you can't do. You not even trust yourself. Now wow, woman they with you for inside house. You won't go do, they don't get you know why you will go do DNA test? You there with your children, mama. Everybody for social media know. Say 24 hours. Una must show yourself for social media. You want to go do DNA. Okay, you pack all your children now go do DNA. That one na money now. Go use the money to do paper. I think you they cry say you don't get paper. Eh? Oh yo, I was here berry wo. You always have a DNA doro lui ebe. Huh? Go use it to do paper. It's too much. I go to years back. Bonnie Vera ka sagadi wokhana. Now so that they block these children. And I can blog now only last year. These children not there social media. Last year for year, now these children not there social media. You don't see carry the children come back again. You just like Vera. As Vera children they come up for social media last year. This year now Vera children don't see surface for social media again. Only waiting when Don Priest tell you just now. Don Priest say may you leave Vera children. Yes. Because I will say not be Vera children now. Eh? You for not get this issue when they ground. So when they bully your children. You for not they bully Nora. And that one they pay me for inside. I will say you not go they say why they donate for Vera children. Why they not go donate for Vera children? They go donate. The time when you born that time when you born Nora, people donate. People donate. Even when your ex-godmother, B&B, package when B&B bring come for you. Now Facebook, now you for the package. Okay, the DNA was a prank. Adams. You said the DNA. I don't know. You say, Mama, they follow the video self. Okay, so whether they follow the video self, the DNA was a prank. I don't know. Because you see me here, anything when they do nyaga, me they follow paperwork. I know they follow my work. And they follow paperwork. Good afternoon. How you doing? Eh? It's not good. Then you can carry those children into our house. Go and take care of your children. Don't belong anywhere. Eh? The children, when they will have that barrier, when you only 4 years, when you wait to say you don't fair teach, and okay, the time when you they teach for Ujagba primary school that time. Because wait for now one village for Ishan land. Now to also Ujagba. The time when they teach for Ujagba primary school that time. Which class did they teach? You come there primary 4 now. Primary 4 now Pokbo Gari. Now Pokbo Gari for teach because primary 6 now 6 years. You come small Pikin of 6 years. You come they tell us say may touch eye, touch nose. The 6 years old Pikin now touch say teacher you wear. They will ask you whether you wear. Okay, you only consign. Yeah, they need therapy, specialist one. Yeah, they need them. Now then do the children like that too. Now they do the children like that. Now they do the children. Did you know children can learn things? You can destroy your children. This thing. We don't see what you know. There is children can learn different character. There is one character I want to talk. It's just like a woman now. Husband and wife when they one room, if they get children, boys, una know say if those children reach outside, they go to chook hands for children, nyash for outside, una they know. Because why? If their papa with their mama, they make love, they will use one eye. Especially they see. Those they don't say, you see these children go they run for themselves. Una know say they, for Nigeria at that time, children go they run for them. Children not they follow them play. Because he am with Kajara, he am with now small Pikin bio. 5 years old Pikin. He don't see what his mama with the papa they do for inside one room. If he reach outside, he say na play. Oh ya mu ya jara, oh ya mu bia kajara. If he say where small Pikin like that put, he go there. Oh ya fie kumu bia kani. Because why? Now waiting now they take to make that Pikin this thing brain. Not be that little boy fault. Now waiting the boy they experience when papa and mama they process in the night. Waiting the kid they experience. Now if they break the Pikin will go they practice her. Because the something called the entire brain. Now just be. They may not get saga now. See they may not get saga? Yes, now so my darling. They may not get saga now. It don't enter those children brain. It don't depress those children. It don't depress those children. It don't depress those children. Then you have to quit. Have to find how you go do children. Why they even there? How many people? 6 people. Why 6 people go there mini apartment? Is that not mini apartment? Why 6 people go there mini apartment? Mama Laura, go look for room. Go meet government. Government go give you 4 rooms. Yes. If it's 4 rooms or 3 rooms, they will give you. Now they take care of those children where? Yes. Before you start to talk to children, talk to people, you're supposed to go and arrange your children where? Put your children in a good place. Your children mental health is not good. It's not stable. It's not balance. It's not balance. Una know why they never do they complain now for school when your children they go, and because your children see they kidagante, wait till they call them for their crash. Now it cause if your children don't enter primary school, they go if they complain. That time, they go different appointments. Yes, una not gonna see time come take the social media again. Once una children don't enter primary school, that time una go know. Say, when I go mark today's day down, and I say, I love you read all this thing. Because the kind of things when you go they do, the kind of daisy when they go they daisy for class, the kind of behavior, then una go they get complaint. Why complain never too day now? Maybe if na fit get complaint now small. Why the complaint never too big now? Never too they affect una now. They'll say they be children. When they don't enter primary school, now there una will go appointment tire. Una go many physiotherapy tire. Una go tire, not be by mouth. So then when they go even say una go even enter trade come for una community. I know what I'm saying. Because why? Seeing your children at that age, for Europe, now they let children get peace, now they let children sleep, now they let children rest every day. Go. Music every day for children. I don't even understand, self. Children for Europe, these people use, to reduce these children. Una to reduce them. Una don't get respect for these children. Una don't they respect these children at all. Now they respect these children. Enough is enough. Enogie with Mama Laura. Una saga no they enter anybody body. Saga no body may work down and they say message to lovely. I will come analyze una video. Una know me now. Because why? Una is not go pay me because I never see una one-on-one. We never eat together. If I don't eat with you, they short me, they pay me. But if I never eat with you, we never see one-on-one. You are still in a distant way. I'm distant. My personal person. Now so. If you know. Yeah. If you see advice them, they'll say, whether now you go advise them. Now you go advise people. You people, you are not living well. You are not living okay. You guys, you are not okay. The children is not okay. You anyone can that bonus tabelli. The children be like children when they smoke tabelli. They are not okay. The children, they are not soft. The children, they are not relaxed. You know, say children when they relax, you see their eye go be like beans. I know if you want pour oil for beans. That's the beans they beef. You want pour oil. Beans when you cook with low heat. Onions will come there on top of the beans. You'll see the way when the beans go taste fine. You know they say agoi. You know see that beans. When your bag go cook that time, you go see the beans, then the beans go cool. To be honest, you know they try those children that you don't tell when they tell them. Come reach today, I see they talking. The children don't relax. They don't can relax. They don't can say go if that they go that they wave. They're not they stable. They are stable. Fear, shout. No say shout day. We don't say you know. We are fear. They even adult self. How's when they fight every day self? Adult self they fear. If fight one come, you don't say that they see parents when they fight. If fight one don't come, the children will they say, you have started again. You see the children. This when they can they run. They go different place. If they affect children when papa and mama they fight for house. When adults they fight, if they affect children. I know they like and wait fight. They make me go crazy. If I don't want fight before say do they fight? You can't provoke me. Can't they fight? And I don't like fights. People should forget. Yari DNA. You know they forget that fucking DNA test. Go and take off your children. And stop to the because they show you they tell say your children shit for body. Your children carry and come and say they shit for body. You don't even know how to even say what and you say just they talk, me don't they talk. No cause when they ever cause my children for this social media. No cause. You don't say I don't ever bring my children come out. No, I don't bring them. Because I don't get who I want to impress. I don't get who I want to give them joy. Say, I can't look my children. I can't look my children. I don't get. You don't concern me. I don't born for eyes of people. I born for myself. Yes, I did born for eyes of people. I not born make people go they say your Pikin too fine. No, your Pikin too fine. No. I born as normal. Say what you want. What you want, you keep it to yourself. That is what you want. Enough is enough. Forget Vera children. Don't talk about Vera children again. Telling people that say that they use Vera children to the saga Vera. No, okay, that they use Vera children to the saga Vera. Your own now call that they use you to the saga your children. That they use Vera children to the saga Vera. Now that they use you to the saga Vera children. That they use Papa to the beat children, the saga children. Okay, as Vera children they so the house before when Vera children they live with now. Enogie, you won't tell me say Vera not they happy. Vera is very happy. He get where Vera go, get where he go angry rich. He get where he go vex rich. One day he go open Facebook and say, Abel, people, all of now when he help my children, he go pray for them. Vera my mother. Always say this life, if you not push something, some people if you not push them to do something, they know they do one. You go push them to do one night before they go do one. Vera need to push to take off his children. Vera can decide tomorrow. The children can't dead there. Vera can decide tomorrow go put 200 for 200,000 for children account. You will say I put money for my account. I say they buy something for house. You think as they clean Vera children up, you think Vera is angry? Vera is not angry. Vera not be fool. She's a mother. Feel like me they fight. She's very happy. Person when not born children, they're happy for those children. Now, who know who come but the children of God say not happy? When I see those children, I was very happy. It gives me it gives me joy. Every woman give them joy. If you don't see their friend, all those their friend when they come, they insult you. All those ones that don't enter their room. Oh, see us on a room fine, no. See us on a room fine, no. See us on a room fine, no. I bet you fit tell them make they help me. I bet you fit tell them make they help me. You don't say like them a vera children. So you know say some children still there around that area will be say they still need help like that. Because they're happy for their friend. Oh, tomorrow you go see reach their body, they'll see help them. It's time for you to take care of your children. Your children, okay, your children need help. Your children need help. One, your children need to relax. They need to relax. Your children get the time when they go take sleep. If they wake up, they go eat. If they eat finish, you put them down as a father. You go they teach them something. You go sit down for ground as a father. You go pack things when children take they play. They use and take they play. Now you go bring your children down. Your children, they are in a high motion. Your children, their brain not their house. Their brain is scattered. Now you go gather these children, break, come back home. You know why you they feel say you they trade them well now because they be small Pikin. When you say small Pikin they craze. They're not the queen. They'll say now small Pikin they play. Now small Pikin play they play. Oti don't grow. Now that time you can say, I be say now play they play. Oh, the people when they there say don't take this. We don't already they see craze for this small Pikin. Better now yeah we are more They call they use thank you for the like. They call they use you know, do not say that they see small Pikin when they craze. If papa and mama will say, play with this small Pikin they play, they'll say madness is Jonah. Now there you can see some people that they carry their children, they carry them. I can wear bogwore. They'll say now Ogbanje. From Ogbanje, when you come they go school, teacher come to say this one Pikin, you know, your head not correct. Before you know, they'll come carry and go saka. They'll come go there. Cure am for there. Anyway, Kana. Erere no say, thank you, my darling. Erere no say, you know, no. If the children when you carry come out, may I tell you as children they behave. If your children they normal, Enogie, I be mother. If your children they normal, true, may I tell you. If not another children now you carry come out, you say Nora, touch nose. You go look you like this. Okay. Now you go look, you say, what is this one they talk? Touch nose. Who not know nose? Nora, touch eye. You go say, Daddy, let's go. Because it there, you go all look you like, what is this one they talk? The children that know something, the children will be say, they're not disabled. Children will not disabled. You know if you don't carry 4 years old child, carry come and reach this thing. You come to say, touch nose. You will say, why touch nose? You don't know nose. Why they tell me say me I touch nose? You saw 6 small children. You will say, you don't know. Why are you telling me to touch nose? How? You don't see some small children when you get brain. When we say they're normal. They're just normal. They see children normal. If you carry the reason somewhere, you will they show them something when they know before. They not mind you. Now I can't come on for them. They go ignore you. Don't know what to be bullshit. They all give you bullshit. The children when you carry come out, they say touch no, touch this thing. You know say you be gaga. The children know say na gaga life now they live. Now the children they follow now they live gaga life. How can you carry a child of 4 years come out? When we say now you go to show your daddy, look at this. This is beautiful. Daddy, look at this. This is beautiful. Now the Pikin you they tell. Now children they tell you. Children so they carry children waka. You go say, Mommy, do you know where we are now? You went be mama. You know they look somebody. Small Pikin when you go, you go say, Mommy, do you know where we are? You say no. You go tell say you this also place. You say how do you know? You say Mommy, see they write it here. That is children when break correct. You say Mommy, see it with you. They write it here. Any children for Europe, when they both abroad, if they carry out, they go. You see what they teach them for school. Leg part, bicycle part, motor part, sandboard, playground. If they want to reach their playground, thank you, my personal person. If you want to reach their playground, it does sandboard. Did you know that playground does sandboard? If they get the one they tell they do one, they will put small Pikin for there. There, they go put a motor go slow down. They go put waiting motor till they slow down. When you don't reach there, the Pikin say, mommy, we're almost close to a playground here. They say, yes. They say, mommy, look at the sandboard. They will show you the sandboard. They'll say, mommy, look the road. You don't say playground. Where children they playground? They must put signal for there. Those are the things when they teach children for school. And you won't be their mama. You don't know. Now your children go they teach you. I cannot wait me with my children. They come out that time. You get the place when they go feed this that time goat. They still there. Maybe one day I'll still go there. I don't first show them just back. The first time we go there, now my children go to say, mommy, there is a place where they keep live goat here. I say, wow. When we don't reach that place, they tell me, say, mommy, look at sandboard. Mommy, see the place. I true reach there. If you can't go every Saturday, we will carry carrot, all those verdura, we will carry go there. If children want to go play for them, they carry them from house, they go there. Thank you, my darling. Now, so, if they like me, they don't share, and they talk, they don't get there here with Mama Lara. Why I'm saying this, because the children, they are still small. Let them take care of those children so that their children, their sanity will come back to them. Their sanity don't leave them. The way they take the reason for children, it may piri. You cannot put children, even Pikin of 2 years now, if they carry out, they come out now. You want to ask a stupid question for road? Waiting don't already study for inside house before you carry and come out. If you talk, you say, mommy, we have passed through this. I studied before I left. Why are you still telling me to touch nose, touch eye, touch head? What's that? You not see small boy when the mama carry this thing, knock her for your head, egg. You see the way when that small Pikin they do in mama. Before that small Pikin is sought in mama like that, something don't feel they go wrong for inside that house. Yes. Something don't feel they go wrong for inside that house. Like if I dey kitchen now with my son, now that egg, I can crack him for my son head like this. It's funny, my son go laugh. They go even come down, they'll even follow me use and play safe. You see what happened to that family? When that boy, when his mama crack egg for his head, he carried the egg, he throw one for his mama, he begin to desaga his mama. If you see what happened, you should know that family, they are not okay. They have grudges, that they fight